Hi everybody, this is Nick at Atlantic Laser Scanning. Today we are going to demonstrate how to eliminate vehicle traffic from our road scan. There's several different ways to do it, and we're going to touch on them real quickly for you. First of all, I do prefer to work in the old interface when I'm doing this, so we're just going to go ahead and switch over here. And now we can do several different ways. We can load the entire project, and in doing so, we can actually take a look at this entire project completely loaded here. And as you can see, with all of our squiggly marks here in the road, we've just got a tremendous amount of data here, a tremendous amount of car traffic. And one of the ways that we can do this is we can just go in here and we can highlight this traffic in the fully loaded scan. Now, while we can do that, many times you'll find that data that's important to your project is going to be maybe behind this. You'll have a street light, you'll have a stop sign, maybe the road has got a bit of a change in elevation or a curve in it, and you end up deleting more than what you want to. And you know, once you save it, and it just can be a real pain to try to bring that all back. So I prefer to just do this a little bit slower and go ahead and open up each individual scan in quick view and just grab chunks of the road here with our rectangular selector, and then we right click on it. And I also prefer the camera view to be orthographic. It tends to give us a little bit more flexibility when we're trying to delete this data by looking at different angles. So we just quickly give ourselves a good look at the road, grab our polygon selector, just try to keep this as closely to the road as we can. Now, it's always better to be safe than sorry. Leave a little space there, right click, delete the inside section. Now what we can also do is come in here a little tighter this time and make sure that, you know, we don't have this thing set up in a way that is going to cause us to delete some of the roads. So I would rather just do this a little bit at a time. And that's just a quick down and dirty sample of how we can get rid of the traffic. Now, we can just continue to go back and take chunks of this road and delete traffic. And this way, we're just much less likely to grab something, you know, some big group of data and end up deleting something that we might really need a little bit later in our investigation.